Hi friends, welcome back to the beginner workout series. Today's workout is for your toned and strong butts. We will be doing 10 exercises, each exercise for 30 seconds with a break of 10 seconds in between. So let's get started. First exercise is stand and kick back. So stand, body straight, legs here. You can take support from a wall and kick like this. We'll start now. Feel that your core is engaged. Only lift your leg. Feel the strain you are getting in your glute area and push it back. Slow, whatever you can do, even a small movement will make an impact, and don't stop. Last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. We'll do it other leg. Again, body straight and start. Don't fold your knees straight. You should get this motion from your upper area, from your butt area, and feel it. Squeeze when you are going away and slowly come back. And last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Next exercise is squat and kick. For this, do a squat here. One step, come up and kick. Again, come up and kick. And we'll start now. So go down, one squat, come up and kick. Squat, go down and kick. Again. You can also do kick at one place if you are not comfortable with this movement. But this movement will add more intensity to the workout and you will get better results. So come, stand and kick. And last 5, 4, 3, 2 and last 1. Good job. The next workout is squat, sit down and stand up. So for this one, just squat, sit down and slowly stand up. Squat, sit down and stand up. And we'll start in 5 seconds. So just get your breath back, relax, and we'll start now. So go down, squat position, come up. Squat, go down and come up. Squat, go down, come up. Now we'll do it with this leg. Go down first and come up with this leg. Again squat, go down and come up. And last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good job. Again 10 seconds break. So get your breath. And the next exercise is squat and twist. So for this we'll go down and twist. Again go down and twist. Again we'll start in 5 seconds. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, we'll start now. Go down, up and twist. Go down, twist. Slow, easy movement. And just follow the motion. Get comfortable and down. Inhale while going down and exhale while coming up. Try to sync your body, mind and breath together, and that will give you better results. And last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good job. For the next set of exercises, I am pulling my mat because now all the exercises are on the mat. So come in this position, tabletop position like this. Take your leg up and touch, up and touch. And we'll start now. If you have better control, there is no need for you to touch. Keep moving without touching it. But if you want to have some support, just come Put your leg down, touch it and move it up. Move it up. Don't fold your knee. The movement should be from your butt area, not from your knee. So don't fold your knee. And last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Next leg. Take it up. No rest this time. We'll take a break after finishing both the legs. So keep moving. Try to pull your belly button towards your back. Glutes, every time you are going up, you should squeeze them. Feel the burn. And slow movement. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Take 10 seconds break. The next exercise, meanwhile, I'll explain you. Again, the same position. Take your leg up and we'll rotate it. Small circle. And we'll start in 5 seconds. So just move your arms, relax, and come. Come in the position again, like this. Leg up and rotate. Small control movement, just rotate. Don't fold your knees. Movement is from your butt area, not from your knees. And rotate. If you can, try to make a bigger circle and do it. And last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. No break. Next leg. Take it up. Rotate it. I think from this leg I can make a better circle. A bigger one. Come on. Upper body stable. Don't move the upper body. Just involve your butt area. And last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. 10 seconds break. Next exercise I'll explain you in between. That you have to come in this position, the opposite side of tabletop, and we'll go down, up, and squeeze. Another 5 seconds and we'll start. Come on, get ready, shake your arms, and we'll start now. Come here, go down, up and squeeze, up and squeeze. Inhale while going down, exhale while coming up, and up, and squeeze, and squeeze. Your feet should be shoulder distance apart. You have to imagine yourself like a table and go up. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squeeze and come down. 10 seconds break. Now some easy peasy exercises. Come on the mat. Next one leg stable on the ground and upper. This leg will lift. Okay? And we'll start in another 5 seconds. Every time you are taking this leg up, engage your butt area, and we'll start now. Always a control movement. Whenever you are coming down, you should not be falling down. It should be a controlled movement. Just come and up. If you want to relax in between, just touch it down and then lift it up. Every time you are taking your leg up, squeeze your glute area and then. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we'll do it on other side. No break in between. We'll take a break of 10 seconds after that and start. Control. Last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good job. Shake your legs and get ready for the next one, and the next one is the same exercise, but what we'll do circles this time. So again, come in the same position, leg up and try to do circle here. Okay, and we'll start in 5 seconds. So just catch your breath and we'll start now. Small circles. I know you are feeling the burn in your thighs, in your glute area, but keep doing it. This is we are almost there, another minute to go. So don't give up now. And last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good job. Other side, no break in between this time. And do it. Keep breathing. You have done a good job. And we are almost there. 1 more minute to go. And last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come on. Shake your legs. Let's get ready for the last one. Come down on the floor and we'll do bridges. Okay? 5 seconds break and we'll start. Ooh, boo, boo. Now, come on. Come up. Squeeze and go down. Up. Squeeze and go down. Squeeze and go down. To add intensity, you can also come on your feet. Up. Squeeze. Up. This is last one, so don't give up now. Keep doing it. We are almost there. And last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good job. You have finished the workout. Hope you are feeling the burn. For better results, I'll suggest to do one more round of this sequence. Include this in your workout schedule. If you like this video, like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.